The original car was campaigned in 1971. It was pulled from Belmont Chevrolet's used car lot. A very rare pace car, one of about 650 made, this 3¼ horse 396 powered machine won class for Lance at the Englishtown Summer Nationals. It also held the Superstock H automatic record. Bill started with an ultra-rare AMT 1967 pace car Camaro kit, which set him back $400. The resin up top and the decals were farmed out. The chassis came from a modern Revell 69 Camaro pace car kit. Johann Sachs and Martin Cuda kit provided the tires and the beautiful Keystone mags. Bill added various parts from his parts box to construct this one-of-a-kind model. It took approximately 200 hours to construct and cost about $750.